These super quick radial style paint pen hearts are a fast and easy Valentine heart that you can create. Now I'm taking a Post-it note and folding it in half, sticky side together at the bottom, so that I can create my heart, and that little sticky spot's going to help keep everything in place while we are creating our design. So if you need to draw yourself a shape to trace, you can, and then cut out your sticky note heart, whatever size that you want. You want to have a lot of space around it to create the fun design. Once you have your heart cut out, go ahead and place it on your rock. Again, make sure you have space to pull your design out away from your heart. And then you're going to start taking your paint pens and pulling the paint from the Post-it note off onto your rock. Now you can do this so many different ways. As you can see, the rocks up above here as well. You can do individual lines that have designs and create the heart shape at the end, or you can do a whole bunch of different colors. That's what I'm going to do this time between my pink and my glitter paint pen. I'm going to go back and forth between the two. Now, I am always trying to make sure that I'm pulling from the center of my rock to create the radial design. So always pretend like your line is going to that center point before you're pulling it off. That will give it a better effect. You don't want your lines coming off in all sorts of weird directions. Now for this style of rock, you would stop about at this point where you can see the heart shape, and then you would create the heart outline just around those shapes. Or you can keep going along the outside edges until you have gone over every edge of that Post-it note, and that is what I'm going to do with this design here. Either way, they look really neat when they're done. Just make sure you're pulling off the Post-it note. Never pull onto the Post-it note. That's going to help you get the nice crisp edge when you are finished. So I'm just going to keep going back and forth between my pink and my glitter paint pen until I have gone off over the edge of the entire Post-it note. Now, as you can see, that little purple heart, I did both on that. I did come off all the way around with my purple, but I did have a little bit of bleeding with my purple, so I did line it at the end with my black paint pen. So there's a lot of different options in how you can finish these rocks off. You can always peek underneath your Post-it note as well to see if you can see that heart before you peel it off. And then you're done. These are super quick and easy to do. I hope you give them a try and hide a few around town.